Luckily I was able to escape long enough.
That was good. Oh, come on. This thing.
Can you still save clips even though I'm recording? Oh, okay. Wow. I didn't record a couple earlier because I didn't know that.
Yeah, you can still save them.
On Xbox, when you're broadcasting, it doesn't let you record clips.
Mm.
I wonder if that guy was watching the orbs thinking he might self-res. Because while the other two were chasing me, he just stayed in the back on that sniper. I think it was only one guy chasing. One guy stayed by the orbs, one guy was sniping.
I don't know what his plan was all the way back there. I think his plan was to kill one of us, so it was at least 2-on-1 first.
Yeah, once he got on,
but if he would have just came up with that guy, he would have got closer. Kill you. Yeah.
We got. I guess I don't know. Whatever. Let's focus on this one.
Hand cannon or a hard Hawkman sniper. Another fucking
Alpha team.
Last word. Sniper. Shotgun.
Wipe them out.
One of them has the shotgun passing really shit.
Press and quit.
Oh my god, why did it do this? What the?
Oh wait, there's a guy in the bottom right here. By the heavy spawn. Oh. Put 2 shots in me, man. Just barely missed.
Your team was eliminated. Better luck next time, Guardian.
Did they all switch to shotgun or something?
Cover's controller messed up.
Your team is behind.
No, they didn't. They rush, you can just go to the
Watch out, guys, floating here.
One of them's floating down.
Guardian down.
I burned it.
Damn, that guy's weak.
Yeah,
oh, we're all dead. Yeah.
But they're just using them stupid ass grenades. Man.
That's a shame.
I hate those grenades.
It's so stupid. Really. You don't have to do any. It's like fucking porn, man.
Your team is behind.
Fucking grenade do everything for you.
Guardian down.
Oh my god. The other one's down low, everyone up top.
No way, man. I had this guy like down to a speck of health. He's coming to the revive, I think. Nice. Now he burned.
Enemy team eliminated.
Fuckers.
I can't believe that guy survived my shot, though.
Your team is behind.
They're all running across. Let's see which down. Oh, I didn't see that guy.
I'm dead.
Coming to my ghost. with that fucking hand cannon, yeah, you're done.
I messed up.
No
Your
chance.
team was eliminated.
I flinched as I was throwing my grenade and
We should have just ran. I think we could run or switch sides with them and see if they come at us again, but I don't fucking know.
Heavy
They're gonna
ammo
probably come
inbound.
back.
Yeah, they're gonna probably come in. They see my confident group. I traded with one guy up here.
Might
Heavy
burn to
ammo
death.
Dead
available.
heavy. Watch out for that guy. Nice.
All enemies have been eliminated. Your team is behind.
Watch out from behind. One guy left. He's weak. He's weak. Oh, damn it.
I don't have a super because I barely killed anybody.
Eliminated. That's a shame.
Okay, it's just... Nope.
Match point.
I'm
Time for a comeback.
Alright, watch them quickly. They're at 4. Yeah, it's probably over the middle right there.
Guardian down. Guardian down.
You're the last guardian.
No! Watch out, the other guy. You got him, you got him. Okay.
The enemy
Watch
is
out.
making
Burn.
a comeback.
And he
Oh,
rests. Fuck.
damn it.
Bunch of little
Team
fucking gay ass warlocks, man. Seriously. Spin around and dance. Fucking stupid. Seriously though, that shit's fucking so late.
Damn, I almost had all 3 with that fifth.
Last word sniper, all 3 of them. One's a gunslinger, the other 2 are blade dancers. So we should be able to fucking do this correct here with these guys. Fucking God. Oops. They shouldn't be rushing. Those snipers, all three of them.
Trials of Osiris. Bravo team. Wipe out the enemy team.
One guy up top. Two guys, maybe. Yeah.
Guardian down. Guardian down.
Oh my god.
Revive your team.
Just sniper me. Alright, last one's behind you guys.
Guardian down.
You're the last gun in the fight. All enemies have been eliminated. Your team is in the lead.
Damn it, man. I got
God
killed
damn
by
it.
a blink strike, one hit. Nice.
Guardian down.
Last Guardian. Revive your teammates.
Coming now.
Double down.
I'm gonna
Oh
burn.
shit,
Damn
man.
it. The other guy was just...
Wow. That was pretty good, man. If I could just stay alive a little
Team
bit
was
longer.
eliminated.
You know, if I could beat these guys.
Why is that guy red bar?
Only go on this side of it.
The match is tied.
And hug this wall right here.
Oh, they're in there.
Ammo.
Burning. My health still isn't back.
Guardian down. Guardian down.
It's
Oh
up to
man.
you now.
I'm just playing super shitty.
Guardian down.
Last
Oh, I got
Guardian.
one of them. The last one's back
Revive
up
your team.
in the corner. Yeah. Looking towards the ghost now. No, he's not. By the doorway, now he's going to the ghost. Nice.
Enemy team eliminated.
Once I saw him fail to go through that window, I was like, no, I should just go for the kill.
Your team is in the lead.
Nice.
All enemies have been eliminated.
Oh, need that shit. Damn it. Give me that special.
Heavy ammo inbound.
I'll go inside. This is ours over here.
Damn it, this guy dropped on me. Wow.
Heavy ammo available.